Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much if this is your first time joining me. If you're returning, thank you for returning again. Life Nerd stands for my thirst for life knowledge. I feel like I always want to know more. I will be posting on this YouTube channel every day. So hopefully you join this cult with me. But let's get into the video. So what we're going to be talking about is the Blue Blood oh my god, I always confuse myself. Blue Blood palette. This palette retails for $50 some. Very blue, very gorgeous. Look at this packaging. But we're gonna be talking about my 5 top favorite shades of this palette. This palette is extremely beautiful. I feel like there's jewels in here. But first, I have to figure out. I didn't realize this, but this palette kind of smells like Payless. Definitely. Okay, let's see. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got it. So, for my 5th one, this just gives me like a whole bunch like underwater vibes, of course, because it's blue. But my 5th, my 5th, oh my god, what am I saying? My number 5 shade is gonna be this one. This is like a very navy. It's called Undertaker. Put that one up here. I just like this shade to deepen out any look. You can use this to kind of line your eye like a wing. So, there's that one. Undertaker. Then, number... Number 4 is probably going to be this one. Oh my god. This is Cullinan. This shade is so soft. And this shade packs the biggest punch that I've ever seen. This is like insanely white. Like, the white is white. If you put this in your inner corner, if you're like super fair, it's crazy. Like, it's literally deflecting the light right now. This would probably be like the shade that I would, if I got this palette, that'd probably be like one of the shades that I would be using all the time. Because it would be the perfect inner corner, you know? And then for eyeshadow number 3, it is going to be this one. What is this? Flourishing. It's kind of like a green. It's like a green blue. Oh my god, that looks so good. But it feels like a little bit dry, but the color is like very good, and you can build it on your eye. The shade is so good. I just love how you can go like from like bluish to kind of like greenish, just a little bit. So there's that one. And then my second one is going to be Ice Tray. I don't know why, but this shade just like gets me. Like, it's kind of like a blue metallic with like silver in it. It's just so crazy. I feel like, I don't think I've ever used that shade though. But, oh my god, I love it so much. Oh my god. Let's see. And my first one, I'm not going to show you guys because I want to keep it a secret. Swatch. Hopefully you guys didn't see that, but let's swatch it here. Is gonna be entitled. Oh my god. Alright, can you see that? Yeah. This shade is so beautiful. It's kind of like a shimmer version of this one. Oh look, I got like, but this one is like, just gives me like, not as much life as Ice Tray, but like, almost. But, yeah. Those are my top 5. I appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good night.